Hello friends, let's start with the investor. So investor has given a little bit background about himself. He says that he has started his journey in 2014 and he started with small investment in mutual fund, and he has mentioned that he has regularly invested in mutual fund and he currently has around 1.05 lakh units, which is giving him a return of 17% on his investment from the last 7 years. And he has attached his wife portfolio which he manages, and apart from the list that he has mentioned, he also has these 3 shares. On these we'll come a little later. And the investor has mentioned that he has recently bought a car of 20 lakh which he financed through investment in shares and debt investment, and it is all without loans. So congratulations and well done. And he says that he intends to do the same thing with all other life goals too. So now let's start. So in this video also we'll use the Excel, and I've added few columns which was not there in the Excel file. So you can see here the invested value is 15 lakh rupees, and currently there is a profit of 5,70,000, which amounts to 38% overall profit on the portfolio size. Now the first company is Balkrishna Industries and the allocation is close to 6%, total quantity is 55, invested amount is around 70,000. Currently there is a profit of 52,000 on this company. For those who don't know what this company is about, what this company do, so this company is in the business of manufacturing tires and it sells tires to across 160 plus countries. And this company is the market leader in the tire sector. You can see the next one is MRF. A lot of people think that MRF is a very big company because of its share price, but that's not the case. The actual market leader of this sector is Balkrishna Industry, and if I'll scroll down here, you'll see that the market cap of Balkrishna Industry is 43,000 crores and for MRF is 38,000 crores. So in terms of market cap, Balkrishna Industry is the market leader here. Now we are at the chart for Balkrishna and MRF, and you can see in last 1 year MRF has provided 27% return, Balkrishna almost flat. But in 5 years Balkrishna has performed much better than MRF. It has provided 97% return and MRF has provided only 28% return. And the reason for this is that Balkrishna Industry is doing much better in terms of profit, sales, and that's why you see the returns are also better in the last 5 years. So it's a good company and you already have a profit of close to 100% on this company. So now your compounding will also start. So keep holding this share. It's a good company, a market leader from its sector. Next company is CDSL. Portfolio allocation is 5.8%. Total quantity is 114. Invested amount is 138. Currently there is a loss of 16,000 on this company. This company is also a good company. Their business is also good. Currently there are just 2 depositories. One is NSDL, second is CDSL. Only CDSL is currently listed. So in terms of business, no doubt their business is good, but if you're looking for consistency, then that might not be available in this company, because whenever there will be a bull run, you will see a lot of demat account getting opened, and that is when you will see good increase in the share price of this company and the profit of this company. But whenever there is a bear market scenario or a scenario wherein the market is consolidating, at that point of time you may not see that much of movement in this company. So if you think you can handle the fluctuation and hold it for long term, you can continue to hold it. Next company is Chambal Fertilizer. Allocation percentage is 1% and currently there is an investment of 31,000 and there is a loss of close to 9,700. This company, as the name suggests, is from the fertilizer sector, and fertilizer sector has not provided consistent return so far to its shareholder. In case you have conviction on this stock, you can continue to hold this company, but if you are looking for a better company or a better sector, you can also look at agrochemical sector. In agrochemical sector, you can look at PI Industries, you can look at Sumitomo Chemical. These are good companies who are growing their profit at a consistent rate and are also providing consistent return to its shareholders. Next company is Deepak Nitrate. Total allocation is 5.4. Invested amount is 132,000 and currently there is a loss of close to 20,000. This company is from the chemical sector and is the leader in the sodium nitrate business. It's a good company, you can continue to hold it. Next company is Divi's Lab. Total allocation is 4.82. Number of shares are 30. And total invested amount is 1 lakh rupees. Currently there is a loss of 300 rupees. So it's a recent buying. It is a market leader in the pharma sector, but its main business is of manufacturing API, which is active pharmaceutical ingredients. These are basically the raw material or the powders that are used for different kind of medicines. This also is a very good company providing consistent return to its shareholder. You can continue to hold this, and currently also this is available at a very good discount from its top. So a good buying point. Next company is Eicher Motor and the allocation is 4.54. Total invested amount is 61,000 and currently there is a profit of 32,000 on the share. This company is from the auto sector and it manufactures trucks which you see under Eicher logo, and the Royal Enfield bike also that you see, that also falls under Eicher Motor only. And because of the changes that happened in the Royal Enfield business in last few years, there was a big upside in this share and this share provided very good returns to its shareholder. Royal Enfield is still doing very good and it is coming up with new models. So there are chances that this company may do well in future as well. So you can continue to hold it. Next company is HCL Tech, and total allocation is 6%. Invested amount is 97,000, and currently there is a profit of 28,000 on this share. This is a company from the IT sector, we all know. It's a good company providing consistent return and also growing its profit at a consistent rate. You can definitely continue to hold this company for long term. Next company is SDFC, allocation is 5.3, total invested amount is 79,000, and currently there is a profit of 32,000 on this share. This is going to get merged with SDFC Bank, so you can continue to hold it. I see you also have SDFC Bank, and the allocation is 16.21%, so it seems you have too much conviction on SDFC Bank. And post the merger, your allocation to SDFC Bank will also increase to around 20%. For SDFC Bank also, the invested amount is 2,17,000, and currently there is a profit of 1,18,000. So for SDFC Bank, I don't think I have to say much. It's a fabulous bank, number one private bank. You can definitely continue to hold it. Next company is ICICI Bank. Total allocation is 8.3. Number of shares are 200, and invested amount is 149,000, and currently there is a profit of 27,000 on this company. This is the second largest private bank in India. This also is a good company. If you want, you can continue to hold it. Next company is ITC, and the allocation is 8.76. Total quantity is 550. Total invested amount is 85,000, and currently there is a profit of 96,000 on this share. So almost 100% profit on this company. And earlier you also mentioned that you wanted to keep these share for your children's grandchildren. So this also is a fundamentally very good company, and you have bought it at a very good price as well, and the compounding will also start on this company. It's a good company in terms of providing dividend. In the last 5 years, this company has not given that much of return in terms of capital gain, but it has given good dividend. So people who have invested in ITC from last 5 years, they have not gained in terms of share price, but they have gained in terms of dividend. So a safe company from the FMCG sector, you can continue to hold it. Next company is Jubilant Food, and the allocation is less than 1%. Currently there is an investment of 19,000. Looks like a recent buying. This also is a good company, has franchise of Domino's, Dunkin' Donuts, so you can continue to hold this. Next company is McDowell, and allocation is 4.84. Currently there is a profit of 36,000 on this company, and the invested amount was 63,000, so more than 50% profit on this company. This has been now merged with UB. It's a good company, you can continue to hold it. Next company is Polycab. Total allocation is 10%, and the invested amount was 65,000, and currently there is a profit of 142,000 on this company. So more than 200% profit on this company. This company is the leader in the wire and cable segment, and it has already provided you very good returns and can continue to do so in the coming future as well. Definitely a company which you should be holding. Next company is Rana Sugar. Allocation is 1.2, quantity is 1000, and the invested amount is 27,000. Currently there is a loss of 2,900 on this stock. This is a micro cap company, and the invested amount is also very less on this company, which is good. For a long term perspective, obviously this is not a good company because this sector itself is not very consistent. The profit of this company is also not very consistent. So a lot of things depend on the timing of when you are buying this company. If you would have bought this company around 2020, then you must have received very good returns. But will it be able to give consistent return in the future? I have my doubts on that. But you can do your own research and then take a decision what you want to do with this company. Next company is Swaraj Engineering, and the allocation percentage is 3.89. Total investment is 81,000, and currently there is a loss of 1,000 on this investment. So this company manufactures diesel engines for tractors, etc. So in a way we can say it is linked to the auto sector, which again is a sector which has not provided consistent return. But if you have conviction on the company's business and you think that their business is going to do well in future, you can continue to hold it. Next company is TCS. Number of shares are 1, so a recent buying. So I don't know whether he has purchased this for short term or long term, but no doubt this is a very good company, a good company to have in the portfolio. Next company is Titan. Total allocation is 6.5. Total quantity is 56. Total invested amount was 77,000, and currently there is a profit of 57,000 on this company. Again, a good company, a leader in the jewelry sector, and it also has businesses in other areas such as eyewear, watches, saris, handbags. It's a good company, a consistent compounder company. No doubt about this one as well. You should definitely hold this for long term. So overall, a good portfolio with good companies, and the number of companies are also not very high. In case you want to add more consistent compounder companies, you can look at Asian Paint, Pidilite. You can also look at Bajaj Finance, DMart. These are also good companies to have in the portfolio. That all depends on you. You should do your own research, you should do your own study, and then only invest in the companies for long term. Now coming back to the 3 companies that he mentioned earlier. The first company is Xpillow Solution, which is a software company. It's a small cap company with a market cap of just close to 1300 crores. So I've looked at the financial. The company's profit are increasing consistently. If you have conviction on this company, you should continue to hold this. Next is ITC, we have already discussed that. And the last company is Manappuram, which is a NBFC providing gold loans. if I were you and if I wanted to go with an NBFC, my first choice or my first preference would have been Bajaj Finance. And after that, if I wanted to go with a NBFC which is into the gold segment, then it would have been Muthoot Finance, because the profit of Muthoot Finance has been more consistent than Manappuram. So these were my views on the portfolio. This video was only for educational purpose. Please do your own study and research before taking any buying and selling decision. So that's all in this video. We'll meet in the next video with some more information. Thank you.